Hey agency leaders, did you know it's now possible to track the success of your client's landing page data in Agency Analytics? Here's our product marketing manager, Danny, to show you how.
Hey there, a lot of you have asked for this and now it's here, a landing page filter for the Google Analytics 4 integration. So let's hop in and have a look. So right now I'm in a Google Analytics 4 integration dashboard, and if I hop into our filter options, in addition to the other options, we now have landing page here. So you can go in and pick the specific landing page or pages, or of course search for them, and it's going to filter your data by that specific page. So whether you're looking at acquisition data, audience data, conversions, you're going to very quickly be able to see which of your clients' landing pages are driving traffic, driving engagement, and driving those conversions. This is available not only on dashboards, but also reports, custom metrics, goals, and templates, and available on all plan levels. Enjoy!